In this video, we will show you how easy it is to upload all required data into Iris and how it intelligently removes noise from your past sales. This is the Iris Tool login page. Once you sign up and sign in, based on your credentials, you will land to the home page. On the left, you will see some quick links that will help you to get started. Even if you have not created any input files, you can download the demo data, read the documentation, and run stepwise to understand the flow and outputs. Through this admin section, you can create accesses for different brands or teams. You can also trace their recent activities as to who ran which project, when, and what is its status. To start uploading inputs and running modules, you need to create projects. This unique concept gives you the flexibility to create different projects based on your organizational needs. You can create projects separately for each of your sales channels or a single project for all sales channels. You can also create category-level projects or brand-level projects. For instance, you can create a separate project for all offline and all online channels or a single project for all channels combined. Once you have created your project and selected it, you are ready to rock and roll. Here are the links to the modules that we discussed: Input Masters, Data Processing, Top Sellers Identification, Store-Level Smart Assortment, Revenue Split or Buy Plan, Distribution, and Business Intelligence. Heading straight to the masters, we have just 6 simple upload inputs. Most of these will be readily available with you: Store Master, Attribute Master, Style Master, Category Size Master, and SKU Master. You can go through these in detail under the File Formats tab. The Store Masters have store details corresponding to each partner. Attributes Masters define attribute groups for your brand, category combinations. Style Masters tag every style to an attribute group defined previously. Size Masters define size sequence for every brand category, subcategory, and gender combination. Sales Input has the day, SKU level sales quantity, and revenue. Iris does not take discount as an input. It auto-calculates basis MRP sales and revenue. Once you have uploaded these simple inputs, you can quickly check them through these output reports. Store details help you tally the store-level revenues and sales quantity. Attribute group details summarize the number of styles present in every attribute group and its performance in the analysis period. Size Set Summary displays the size set group you have defined for each attribute group. This is how easy it is to set the inputs and validate them in Iris. Moving on to the first intelligent output from Iris, the Sales Data Cleanup. But before we jump in, let us show you the module flow for every module from Sales Data Cleanup to Distribution. They are all classified into 4 sections. First is the Module Overview section, which describes the module and business inputs required. Second is the Input section, where you can set the input parameters based on your business. The third is the Run section, where you can run the module in a click of a button. The tool takes a few seconds to run, even distribution and buying modules. Fourth is the Output reports for quick decision-making. Often heavy discounts are given on products to bump up sales and liquidate excess inventory. Such sales should not be considered for forecasting as it distorts real demand. This module cleans up such sales for better analysis of data. This module also finds out which sizes are not selling well at stores and does store-level size exits. Coming to the Input section, on the left are a few business settings. First is the analysis period. If you want to plan buys for Autumn-Winter 20 basis Autumn-Winter 19, you can set the dates in that manner. Or if you are a non-seasonal brand and want to plan the next 3 months basis, most recent 3 months, you can select that period accordingly. Next are inputs related to liquidation and exit size cleanup. Exit size cleanup is relevant for brands with a large number of sizes like lingerie, footwear, etc. If you want the tool to recommend exits in sizes contributing significantly less to the revenue at a store or partner level, then you can make use of this input. On the right, there is an option to delete sales. If historically you have uploaded wrong sales, you can delete those and re-upload correct sales. The objective of this module is that it becomes a single repository for your entire transactional and master data. Then you can just click on Run to run this module. It will take just a few seconds. In Outputs, the sales summary at a partner region month level shows few sales KPIs like revenue, sales quantity, discount percent. However, on download, you can get it at the most granular store month attribute group level. In the liquidation cleanup summary, for each partner and category, Iris intelligently cleans up sales that happened at double the average discounting. For example, for the jackets category, after the tool did the cleanup, the average discounting went down from 28% to 26%, but the 3% revenue that got cleaned up had an average discount of 57%. Post this, Iris works on this 97% of cleaned up revenue, which reflects true demand. This step is generally missed while planning in Excel sheets due to tool limitations. Exit size summary tags every combination as either exit or non-exit. If a size is not contributing significantly to the revenue, the tool will recommend it as an exit for each attribute group at the partner level. For ease of decision-making, Iris does this at 2 levels, partner level and store level. In the next video, we will show you how Iris creates a smart assortment plan or DNA for every store individually.